Ready for the road trip?
Yep.
Ready.
All right.
Hop off for a second, hon. Ow, mother.
Oh, what did you do?
You all right?
Yeah, you got them near those pliers?
Yeah. I actually got that on film. The perfect timing.
Not where you left it.
Right.
Well, it depends on who finds it first. Like my candy, if the kids
Oh yeah, you're
find
never
it,
gonna
it's
see that again.
She look okay, Haas?
That's fine. I can pick up another.
It look
bag of
okay?
candy at a
Yeah, well, I don't know how you got it out yet.
Oh, gotcha.
We have a little handful of Jolly Ranchers that you can have.
Just a couple.
I think I dumped them back in our candy dish. Let me.
So we can pre-road trip. Going to Vegas.
A little bit further north. I will try not to lose him at Donna's Ranch. Or the Hacienda Sugar Shack.
Ha. Ha. We're golden. Whew. Here we go on our trip. We are on our way to Twin Falls, fellas. Gosh dang it. My stupid snap, my vest extender popped off. So now I'm trying. I've had a rough morning getting going this morning. Poor Haas is ready to kill me. Haas is a trucker and he just wants to go. He's not used to my crazy butt. Taking forever to get moving. He's a little irritated with me this morning, I think. It's funny stuff though, is it? Well, I think it's funny. He's ready to grab me by the throat though, I think. On our way to Twin Falls, about a 5-hour ride, I believe. Just spend a couple days there. Head back. I don't know if you can see this field of yellow flowers, but it's beautiful. Millions of them. On the freeway. We're heading west and then hopping on another 2-lane highway and heading up the rest of the way north. This is going to be a blast. Road trip, end of summer road trip, man. Freeways are awful. No way I'll be able to go uphill. Rebecca, what you doing?
Huh?
What you doing?
Just looking at the jewelry.
You're busted again.
I am busted. These are gorgeous.
Thank you. Their little necklaces and bracelets and rings, yeah. Dream catcher earrings.
I don't have money today.
Yeah, my sister makes all the jewelry. Yeah.
Okay, so how's everything? You getting tired of riding on that? Your back hurting anything?
No, back hurt.
Not nothing extreme yet.
Right on. How's it going? Again, everybody. Burger King's better, I think, but hey, you know, he's the one that wants to go here. We'll go here for my brother. Oh. Okay guys, we're just leaving, where the heck are we? Wells, Nevada. We had lunch. And now we are heading to Twin Falls. And I think it's all highway from here. Until then, listening to some Van Halen. Okay, this is stop 3. Is this stop 3?
Yep, stop 3.
Where are we?
Jackpot, Nevada.
Jackpot, Nevada. How are
We've
you?
only got about 50, 60 miles left to go.
That's awesome. So the last stop before we arrive.
We've done about 200 miles so far.
Okay. How are you holding up? Feeling good?
My back's giving out.
Yeah.
It really is.
Well,
I hope, along with the swimming pool, this place has a hot tub.
Yeah.
I really could use that right
Boy,
now.
me too. How are you holding up?
it's good. Helmet's got some pressure points, but
Okay. I'm doing all right. My back's sore, but yeah, I'm here. Still alive. We dodged a pretty big bullet as far as the storm goes. We got rained on. You saw it in the video. There's still some clouds, though. We could still hit more, but we'll see.
Hey, luckily, it was just for a short time.
Yeah.
Wasn't real bad.
Nope.
Look right, you can see some wet pavement here.
Yeah. Must have just gone
Ahead
through.
of us, so
Yeah.
good Lord's watching over us so far.
He really has today. Okay. What are you eating?
kettle chips. Barbecue.
The rain's caught up with us, so we got a boat heading off to Twin Falls now. And we're all tired. It's the way you do it. And your chicks for free. Yeah. We made it to Twin Falls, brother. YouTube. I guess that's it. Yeah, that's our place right there. Nice. That is a wonderful sight. I ain't even gonna lie about that. Man, I gotta tell you. Okay, we made it. How many hours did it take us to get here?
Took us quite a while.
Because we left at what, 10:30? And it's
Thereabouts.
It's 4:30 now, I think. So 6 hours?
Yeah.
That's 6 hours. Okay.
And we've we've been in 3 states and 2 time zones. When we came into Nevada, we ended up in Pacific. And after we turned, when we hit Idaho, we went back in the mountain.
Okay.
So now you've really got it on your bike. You've been in 3 states in one day.
Yeah. Okay, this is my room. Check this out. Giant bathroom. Shower with a thing on, dude. Little closet. that. Isn't that sweet? Haas, where are we at?
Black Bear Diner, Twin Falls, Idaho. Come on down. Oh my God.
That's a Bigfoot steak. That's a Bigfoot steak. And I got the
fried steak.
Oh yeah, chicken fried steak. Yeah, it's literally not Bigfoot. I mean, it could be.
All right.
Yeah, I'll follow you. Okay, it is the next day, the next morning, and we're off. We got a couple of things planned for today. So one of those things is to go see Evel Knievel's jumping site. He jumped something over here, some sort of canyon, so gonna stop and get some chips or snacks or something first. But there's gravel everywhere. Okay, back on hard ground. That's what I'm talking about. Oh boy, I don't like taking my bike off-road, man. I don't know about this. Got a bad feeling. Shake the road, share the road. That makes more sense. Haas, what have you got me into here, buddy? Oh, I don't like this at all. Oh, shoot. No, Haas. I don't like this idea, buddy. This is not a dirt bike, buddy. This is almost a $30,000 motorcycle, and I'm taking it off-road. Alright, yeah, this is the last bit of off-road I'm doing. I hope it's close.
This was the base of it.
Really?
Yeah, that's what that sign says.
Wow. The world's famous stunt performers, men who love doing the impossible. After seeing stunt cyclists on TV, shot. This is this. Go for it. All right, we're leaving Evel Knievel's spot here. Oh. Look at that. Wow, Snake River. We're en route to see the falls down here. That beautiful though, huh? Wow, look at that. Yeah, it was. No charge.
Shoshone Falls.
Okay, so we've gone, where have we been? We went to Evel Knievel.
We went and seen the Evel Knievel jump site. We're at Shoshone Falls now. Or Shoshone, however you pronounce it, depending on what part of the country you're from. Eating chips, drinking water. Mike's eating peanuts and soda. All in all, pretty good day today.
What's next on the agenda?
We
I don't
haven't
know.
went that far.
The only things I really knew about was here. And I thought there was right. If we go back and go over that big bridge, there's supposed to be another one we can come around on that side of it.
Okay.
But I don't know how far we can get. that little dirt track on to go to the Evel Knievel, I think that did Mikey in.
I was not liking that.
Yeah, I'm glad he said something because y'all can't see his face because the camera doesn't go both ways. Talk about a look of terror on a man's face.
Yeah. It's a $30,000 Harley I'm taking on a dirt track. You know.
Hey, you know what? At least we weren't like trying to do it at high speed or anything.
No.
Now the cool thing is when we passed the other big bike, the Ultra or whatever it was, coming in as we were going out. So
yeah,
at least we're not the only crazy ones on bikes doing that. Nice, beautiful, sunny. Not hardly a cloud in the sky. Coming down in here, there were signs that said, $5 vehicle fee, and we got waved right through the gate. So,
yeah, that was awesome.
Evidently, the guy there was like, "They ain't gonna be here long."
Yeah, it was cool.
No sense of bother with this,
Oh. We just have to be careful coming out of here, but we'll be fine. We'll be alright. Dude, this is the canyon that Evel Knievel was going to jump, or tried to jump. Crazy to think about that. I think that guy is going to try and parachute down by the looks of it. Scenic overload. jump site way over there. Evel Knievel's jump site that we were at this morning. Okay, we're going to Golden Corral, I guess. And we'll have lunch there. They really like Golden Corral, these guys. Like, that's their favorite restaurant. So I think that's the plan. And then I'm not sure for dinner. I don't know, we'll go somewhere cheaper or something not as heavy, probably. You got the meatloaf? I know you were excited about that.
Got some meatloaf, pot roast,
Right on.
sweet potato, macaroni.
Haas, what you doing today, brother?
All right, so we went and saw where Evel Knievel did his jump in 1974, was it?
Yeah, year I was born.
September 8th, 1774, or 1974. His last jump, the Snake River Canyon here at Twin Falls. He didn't make it, but he did set a world record for the most broken bones. After that, we went to Shoshone Falls. That was quite an interesting little switchbacky road down into it. I did get to see where the falls were. Too bad we're kind of late in the season, so they weren't running real well. But we did get flagged through and didn't have to pay the $5 fee for vehicles.
Which was awesome, yeah.
Which is good. Sat in the shade down there, took some pictures, watched some work going on. Quite interesting. And then, of course, we headed back in town trying to find some stuff, and I got us turned around and backwards and never did find what I was actually looking for, but we did find the Golden Corral. So there was something really good at the end.
Yeah, and it was good. It was good food tonight there.
It was a good meal. And then we came back. Mike took a nap. Me and Becky hit the jacuzzi. So the back feels a whole lot better right now.
Good. You ready for the ride tomorrow? The 6-hour ride tomorrow?
We're going to do it in pieces. We're going to do it in pieces, but I haven't figured out where we're going to stop all that yet. Because there's really, from here to Brigham City, there's a whole lot of nothing.
Okay.
So we're probably going to be doing a lot of our breaks in rest areas. So
it's all right. Works for me.
hey, it's going to be a ride.
As long as we got the gas, I'm
about
golden.
250 more to go to get back home.
Right on. Yeah, so it's our last night here. We're all a little bit tired. We're kind of just winding down for the day. We did a long ride on Saturday. It was a long day Saturday. Sunday, a long ride up here. Hit some weather. Got into some rain and a lot of wind. At one point, we were, I think, riding pretty much sideways. And it was one of those situations where it's like, you got to just keep going. There's nothing there. So we plowed on through, stopped a couple times, but yeah, we were happy when we got here. And then today it's just been, it's kind of sightseeing and taking it easy. Took a nap and just enjoying the day, really. So just kind of winding down at the moment, getting ready for tomorrow. But anyway, we'll keep you updated. Okay, it's the day we're leaving.
Getting ready for another day.
Another long ride. You ready for the ride?
Yeah.
We're all tired.
Now I want to put that brain bucket back on.
I know. Okay, we're off. We'll see you soon. He's so impatient. Harley-Davidson, Twin Falls, Idaho. Say cheese.
Cheese. Are we having fun?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
What's that smell, dude?
Dairy farm.
Is it?
Yep.
It is awful.
I just asked him, who was this idea to go this way, the stinky way?
Well, it's all just part of the experience, I guess.
Manure.
Oh.
Now they would tell you
Oh.
the smell of money.
Yeah. Oh.
Water, you would swirl around. I thought you needed to stretch. I need to stretch because I had a really weird feeling in my back.
Oh, yeah.
Taking away my...
Okay, we're at our first rest stop and it smells so bad. It's a dairy farm.
See buildings up that way.
Is that big white building over there?
Yep.
It smells this far
Gosh.
back.
It's awful.
Yep.
So that's a scale, trick scale?
Yep.
Okay, back on the road again. There was we hit that rest area And oh my gosh, that whole area, it still stinks out here. It's the dairy farm, I guess. So